Hello everyone, I am Yasin, your educational consultant. Today I am going to show you the best 10 USA universities with no application fee and top scholarship opportunities. The first one is Harvard University. Here you can apply without any application fee. So the Harvard University is best because Harvard University focuses heavily on academic curiosity, leadership and impact, not just grades. Many strong applicants fail because they underestimate the importance of personal narrative. So the Harvard University is best for you. You can apply here without any application fee. The second one is Yale University. Yale University practices need blind admissions, meaning your financial situation does not affect your acceptance. So here you can apply without any application fee and you also can apply for scholarship. Third one is MIT. MIT removes both financial and administrative barriers. And why MIT is unique? Because no application fee, 100% need-based aid, and a strong support for STEM students. And MIT applicants succeed when they show how they think, not just what they know. So here you can apply without any application fee and apply for scholarship. The fourth one is Princeton University. Princeton University is famous for replacing loans with grants. And the key benefits of this university are no application fee, full need financial aid, graduates leave debt free. And the important tip is that Princeton values intellectual independence. Students who show original research or self driven learning gain an edge. So, here you can also apply for scholarship, and here is no application fee. The fifth one is Amherst College. Amherst College is a liberal arts college with one of the highest per student endowments. And the key benefits of Amherst College are no application fee, need blind for international students, and also covers tuition fee, housing, meals, and insurance. And why students loves it? Because small class sizes mean professors actually know you, which helps with future recommendation and research. So here you can also apply. The sixth one is Berea College. Berea College is rare. Every admitted student receives full tuition coverage. And if you want to know, there is also no application fee. Full tuition scholarship. Students can work part time on campus. And the important note is that seats for international students are limited, but those selected receive nearly 100% funding. The seventh one is Colby College. Colby combines global exposure with strong financial aid. Here is also no application fee, full need scholarship, strong study abroad integration. Colby College appreciates students with international perspective, especially those interested in global challenges. So here you can also apply. And the eighth one is Bowdoin College. Bowdoin College has quietly become one of the most generous colleges in the US. And why Bowdoin? Because no application fee, need blind admissions, strong funding for arts and sciences. And Bowdoin values character and values alignment. Ethics, inclusion, and leadership matter deeply. And the ninth one is Minerva University. Minerva University offers a radically different education model, and here are also scholarship opportunities with no application fee, plus merit based, plus need based funding, and also global campus rotation. So, Minerva suits students who thrive in discussion based analytical environments, not rote learning. So, here you can also apply. The 10th one is Deep Springs College. Deep Springs is extremely selective but offers full scholarships. And the key facts of this college: no application fee, tuition, housing, meals covered. Students manage campus operations, and this is for students who want intellectual rigor plus responsibility, not traditional campus life. So these all are the 10 US universities with no application fee and scholarship opportunity. Scholarship opportunities are real if you apply smartly. The idea that the USA is too expensive is outdated. With the right strategy, profile positioning, and guidance, scholarship opportunities can cover 100% of your cost, even at the world's top universities. The real challenge is not money, it is information, preparation, and timing. If you want to get personalized guidance on university shortlisting, scholarship strategy, essay, and application planning, so you can book a free consultation today with us. Thank you so much for watching this video.